Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, and this is the daily close, of course, for Bitcoin here. We're gonna see what we are expecting, of course, for the next hours, and I was expecting here to take the low somehow. I think here, yeah, because that was for the correction. Sorry, this one was for this drop over there. So we took the low, no need for it anymore. Currently, what we are looking there is, of course, a potential 1, 2, 3 wave 4, still a potential for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. In case that this is a 1, 2, and we're looking for lower, well, we need a confirmation for that. Which is, of course, taking the low over there, meaning, of course, by taking this low, that means, of course, confirmation for lower prices. However, because, of course, we saw some potential of bullish sentiments here, and especially with this potential impulse, in case it is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and of course, like a finished A, B, and a C expanding flat here, we start to see, of course, something pushing for higher. And this was our intraday where I explained something weird here is unfolding, and of course, potentially looking for higher, which is opening here a potential scenario for a diagonal wave 2. By all means, this is an ABC finished, of course, as a wave 1. ABC still potentially can unfold here, even taking the invalidation, meaning dropping the zone 1 here, and then, of course, making a wave 2, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside to hit our blue box. So we're still bearish, of course, but the micro level might still be looking for a little bit higher. So we gotta be careful with it. It can be, of course, a possibility here, especially that I'm looking at Bitcoin here. I see, of course, some bullish signal on the very, very micro levels. This is a 5-second chart to see exactly what it might happen. So we have a bullish sentiment. We might, of course, continue toward the upside, especially that you don't have any impulse. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation and a bullish signal there. Now, in a bigger picture, a little bit also on the 1-minute chart, we still, of course, in a divergence here, bullish, and we saw, of course, this push today. This was a daily signal today in the morning. So I mentioned, of course, we have a bullish signal divergence. So yeah, I expect that we push for higher today, and here we are. Here we are. We are looking, of course, for higher prices. Despite that, of course, there is still some pressure from the bearish, and it will never be gone. Yeah, so we cannot get invalidation right now for the bearish, even if we push for higher. Don't think if we push for higher that you're gonna get invalidation here. It's a very strong sell. It's still, of course, the pressure is still there, but yeah, the bulls are trying today. They are trying today, yeah, I believe they succeeded a little bit, but I think it might finish up here one more impulse toward the upside. Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, but be careful. I think that it might be a very, very shallow impulse, meaning very shallow wave C, A, B, and a C, short wave C, and then pushing down. Okay, so watch the invalidation there. It might be, of course, also the signal there for something also that, okay, we might push for lower, because the invalidation is a resistance also. Yeah, so these are the possibilities for Bitcoin right now. Basically, in major idea, we're still very sell, guys. The sell is still very strong. Don't forget this. Never forget this, just because of a little bit of micro levels here in green candles. This might be gone, of course, in few minutes or few hours, and then pushing for lower again. Yeah, so to take our target, don't forget we're looking to take the lows even. Yeah, so we saw in a bear market, guys. Never forget this. Yep, so these are the updates, the daily close for Bitcoin. Let's watch what's gonna happen, guys. So I would say just watch, of course, the invalidation here, and we might continue the drop, of course, from there. Even if taken, we might continue in a diagonal. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.